Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce Lightning design patterns for usable enterprise UI, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce Lightning design patterns for usable enterprise UI, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type App Manager. Select App Manager from the results. Locate the Lightning app you wish to modify. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the app name. Select Edit to access the app settings. Scroll down to the App Settings section. Find the option for Lightning Design Patterns. Enable the preference for design patterns by checking the box. Now, save your changes. Next, head over to the Lightning App Builder. In the App Builder, select the page you want to customize. Use the Components panel to find pre-built design pattern components. Drag and drop your chosen components onto the page layout. Adjust the settings for each component as needed for your design. Incorporate spacing and alignment to enhance usability. Utilize Salesforce's design guidelines to maintain consistency throughout your UI. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks as intended. Once satisfied, click Activate to publish the updated page. Consider testing the UI with end users for feedback. Make any necessary adjustments based on user input. Finally, monitor the performance of your application post-deployment to ensure continued usability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.